Ask the Muscle Whisperer.
Welcome to this month's Muscle Whisperer. Question I was asked about, where are we heading to in 2021 within our industry? And I had to really consider and think hard about what it is that we can do and what we can't do. So as I say in the written part, there's a couple of parts in which I address. One is education, but the other is technology and how we need to work with technology in order to deliver our services. So there are a few changes we're going to have to make, but generally I think we can go forward, and there are ways that we can do it while still maintaining a relationship with our clients. So join me on the written and find out some ideas about how to go forward.